took a simple old truck and turned it into this. It took a while for us to get through everything, and it was piece by piece. And it wasn't always easy, and it wasn't always simple. There were lots of things that we had to do to get to this point. That goes from the suspension to the tires, wheel bearings, upgraded Apple CarPlay, headlights, and even the paint job. This is why I enjoy doing what I do, because I get to take something that's simple and looks like everything else and turn it into what I envision. All right, YouTube, here is our next project car. It is a 2006 Toyota 4Runner. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up for this build. I really appreciate everyone who went through this journey with me. And if you didn't get a chance to, go ahead and take a look at this playlist that I have linked that shows you all the videos of everything I've completed on this 4Runner so far. Go ahead and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Exantis Creations. And until then,
I'll see you on the next one. Peace.